This is for high temperature muffle furnace, and this is door, furnace door, inner chamber. This is two hole, one thermocouple and another for ventilation. Now we close the door. This is for inner chamber, furnace chamber, and this is control unit. This is voltmeter, ampere meter, main lamp, load lamp. This is programmable controller. PID programmable controller. This is MCB, miniature circuit breaker. MCB. This is the MCB. Now temperature is showing 109. We can start it. Just press up key. Once this always start. Now we can change the program. Firstly, you press the set button, and next press pattern 1, no need, segment no need, this is no need, this is 200, this is segment 1, 200, segment 1 I set just 200. You can increase or decrease this position, decrease, you can decrease. This is for time. That same temperature, 200 temperature will increase just 1 hour. This is for output, that means voltage. We set 50% voltage, that means line voltage is 220, 50% voltage, that means 110 volt working temperature of the heater. Now segment 2 I set just 200. You can change it through this switch. This is up key, down key. We set just 200. The same parameter is there. Timing is I set just 10 minutes for soaking. Third, no need it, just testing purpose. I set it just testing purpose. Now I neutral this parameter. Just press set button. Again press the set button. Now furnace temperature is 110 and PV 116.